Okay guys, today here at Project M, we have a 2013 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S. And this thing is gonna get a complete transformation. It's getting wheels, spacers, springs, exhaust, intake. It should look pretty sick. The wheels are already here. They're gonna be the same size as already on the car, but they're way better. These are what's going on the car. These are Vossen hybrid forged, and it even tells us here 20 by 8.5. So these are actually super clean, but the car is stock. The car is completely stock. Yeah, so it's on the lift. We're gonna take the wheels off first and do the wheels first. So let's get to it. Are you ready? I gotta make sure you look good. Okay, before we even touch this car, let's get a cold start and see what it sounds like with a stock exhaust. All right, you're good. Not that bad. Okay, in my opinion, it doesn't sound that bad, but the owner wants it to be loud, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, did you find it or what? He's looking for the wheel lock, so we can take the wheels off before we lift it in the air. Did you find it? Bro, this thing is clean. We found the key. After 10 years, we found the key. There we go. Now the wheels can come off and we can send them to the tire shop. Hey, do you call them wheels or rims?
Wheels.
Wheels? I say rims, because in my opinion, like the whole thing is the wheel. Like if this fell off your car, would you say my wheel fell off or my tire fell off? Or my wheel and tire fell off?
It just depends.
I think it's a wheel, bro.
I rarely hear rims.
Oh. All right, guys, one wheel off. 7 more to go.
7.
You good, bro? You need help?
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, done, just like that. Now we have a wheelless Porsche.
Hey, gotcha.
Whoa! Playing soccer with Porsche wheels. That's crazy. I'm a mechanic now, but you can take the rest. Anyways, we gotta find the cart to bring these to the wheel side of our shop so they can mount the new wheels on these tires. And I don't know where that's at. Do you know where it's at? No. Nice. All right, so we couldn't find the yellow cart, so we're just using a pallet instead. Guys, well, the tires, wheels, rims, whatever you want to call them, are at the tire shop. We're gonna do the springs, which are, those are itty bitty, they're over there. Let me show you guys the springs. Look at these bad boys. H&R springs. They're 100% made in Germany, did you know that? Anyways, these are the old ones here. These are the new ones. But yeah, this car should sit very, 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 very different. Like, it's gonna be nice. All right, what do we gotta do here?
We gotta remove all these connectors, all the caliper stuff.
I'm so glad this isn't my job. All right, guys, I don't know where Caesar went, but the exhaust is here. The car's just been here waiting for the exhaust, but it's a Fab Speed catback exhaust, so it's gonna replace from here and all this. How are we looking over here, bro? I don't need Caesar for this. I could do this by myself. It's like 3 bolts here, 3 bolts here. Yank that bad boy out, put this bad boy in. I did not show you guys the intakes yet, but Caesar just unboxed them. These are the intakes.
This is pure performance right here.
But these are the intakes.
Look, we can 3D print this if you need one.
Yeah.
In a couple hours.
Yeah, 3D printed locally. Yeah. We got you. Look at that. We got the bumper off. Bro, I come just in time for when something's done. Yes. Bumpers off.
Bumpers off.
It's all easy now, bro. Just look, bolt, bolt, bolt,
Oh,
bolt,
look,
bolt.
it's the intake.
Yeah, bro. The other one just looks better. Look, let me tell you what to do. Undo, undo.
Tell me, boss.
And then you figure out the rest and then let me know. All right?
Okay,
perfect. Caesar put the on without me.
Sure.
I literally left to go get food and I came back and it's in. It looks nice though. What does that even mean?
That's horsepower, bro. Gotta be horsepower.
Yeah, you're right. All right, guys, this bad boy makes 53,610 horsepower. But now I just removed the sticker, so now it doesn't. You guys, this has nothing to do with building a Porsche, but we rent this car out. So we rent this car out, this car, this car. So if you want to rent it out, comment or email info@shopprojectemma.com. The exhaust is done, right? The exhaust is done. He's gonna do the intakes right now because I showed him how to do it earlier, so made the job go quicker. But yeah, you just gotta take these off, put the other ones in, and we're gonna start this. And I'm super curious to hear what the difference is between stock and now because it eliminated a lot of unnecessary things there. Now he's putting the car down. Imagine I just captioned everything you're doing. He's walking. All right, guys, we had to take off the wing to get access to this to take it off, but bro, this thing's bulky, bro.
Remove these vacuum hoses. This one here.
That's it? Oh, bet. That's it, done. So that's the old one, bulky. This is a nice, new, sleek, super nice one. I guess the filters just pop out right here, or they're in there, or I don't know. I'm confused. God damn, I'm ugly. Today is not my day. All right, you guys are probably wondering why I'm back. The owner took the car, he liked it, but he brought it back because he wants it louder. So now, after Caesar did all this work, he has to take it back apart. And now we have our Project Gamma headers. Oh, that was hot. So it's gonna replace all of this, and we're putting our logo on it right now. So when it gets here, I'll show you what it looks like. But this car was already loud. It's gonna be really loud. And if the owner brings it back and he's like, this is too loud, we're gonna give him the keys and tell him to turn around, and that's it. You said this is easy?
Yeah, like the easiest Porsche in the entire Porsche lineup.
You guys, this is the stock one that just came out, and this is ours. All right, Caesar, we got one in. Dude, that looks way better. All right, one PG header in. I wonder what it sounds like with just one header. Hey, you guys comment on this video if you want to see Brett Lee's Honda Civic Sport 2020 hatchback get built.
Type R.
No, it's not a Type R, but like for the video, we'll just title it Type R, clickbait. All right, header number 2 going in. I'm actually really curious to hear what this sounds like because it was loud before and this is ridiculous. All right, guys, Caesar finished. I finished, I did this all. Oh, never mind. I'm a liar. All right, guys, Caesar just finished. We're about to put this bad boy down and start it for the first time and hear what it sounds like. All right, guys, so this car now has basically a full straight pipe. Like, no filters, no nothing, no cats blocking anything. You ready? I'm ready. Go. Bro, he just revved it, but it shoots a flame. Bro, what? There's no flame tune on this car. Dude, that's retarded, bro. Okay. All right, the customer brought this back to make it louder. He's not gonna know it shoots flames until he picks it up. We're gonna show him that it shoots flames once he picks it up.
He's actually my neighbor.
Oh yeah, he's your neighbor.
His door every day to get
They had a Zoom meeting.
Huh?
They had a Zoom meeting upstairs. They got so mad.
There's people upstairs and they had like a Zoom meeting. So they were like, bro, stop. All right, guys, me and Ilias are about to go on the first test drive with this car. Like, it sounds crazy in here, but like, I'm very curious on what it's gonna sound like while we're actually like driving the car because the flames, the pops, I'm excited. Let's go. Bro, let me in. Thank you. Bro didn't want me to come. Look at this guy trying to make sure he looks good.
I am handsome, bro. Okay, let's do it.
Bro, he's gonna love it.
Yeah, he's not lying.
This is Ilias's neighbor, so he's gonna have to hear this every day now.
Yeah.
All right, see ya. Bro, that thing is obnoxious. That thing is retarded. It sounds insane. Either he's gonna do a flyby or I have to walk back. my God, that thing sounds good.
That's actually crazy, bro. Let's go.
This is a nice
I think his wife
That's gonna hit it.
No, you're gonna divorce him, bro. What I hate it.
That is loud. That is very loud. Holy shit. Wow. That is fucking loud. I can't even hear you, bro. Oh my God, bro. What? My neighbors are gonna love me, bro. That sounds good. My neighbors they're gonna love me, dude.
Yeah, he is.
Dude, that thing is crazy loud, bro. Yeah. I want it loud. I feel bad for my neighbors, man. That's no, I like it, man. Fucking shit, bro. Oh my God. I saw the flames, dude. Holy crap, bro. That's what's up. Thank you, man. I can't wait to see this thing at nighttime, man. Yeah, no, it's okay.
He's got a Porsche.
Yeah, it's Holy shit, bro. God damn, you feel that in your chest, bro. Wow, that is wild, man.
Wait, who's calling?
HPD is calling you. Complain.
Is it real?
Could be, bro.
That's what it said.